hit me. This one is stop. Eh? Enough is enough in this house. Why are you chasing me out of my father's house?
Peter!
Can you give me enough reason for that?
Peter, you raise your hand!
I say you should shut up. Shut up your mouth. Shut up your mouth. Enough is enough in this house. Stop maltreating me in my father's house. What is it? What have I done to you?
Peter! Jesus! I swear, your father must hear of this. Your father must hear about this thing. Peter, you hate me!
What?
Get out! Get out!
Only what?